Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi and I'm very excited that you're watching my video today. Now, if this is your first time, I'm very excited. I'm so excited. Thank you. But if this is not your first time, I'd like to say that you're the real MVP. Thank you for taking the time to watch another video on this channel. Like you can already see from the beautiful space on this video, we're exploring another very super beautiful neighborhood in the federal capital city of Nigeria. Today, this is Katampe Extension. Katampe Extension is one of the neighborhoods where most rich, bougie and classy people like to stay here in the federal capital city. I want us to explore the space and to see it together. So let's go. Katampe Extension is a very cool, beautiful, and solid environment. It's one of the best places to live in the federal capital city of Nigeria. The neighborhood boasts of good infrastructure and you'll get good electricity in this place. The roads are very clean and good. The landscaping is amazing. Most of the houses in Katampe Extension are serviced apartments. You'll also find a lot of smart homes in Katampe Extension. And to be very honest, this is not a neighborhood for a lot of middle class and people that are living below the poverty line. Apparently, you'll find lots of diplomats, you'll find the political class, you'll find the business class, and a few average people in this environment. It's basically like an upscale district, and it's only for people that can afford to live this level of luxury or luxurious life in Nigeria. Katampe Extension is strategically located not very far from the Murtala Mohammed Expressway. This is on the road that takes you to Gwarimpa, not also far from Dawaki, Kado, Jahi, Mabushi, Maitama, and even Pape. So you can find Katampe Extension somewhere around that. And in driving from Katampe Extension to the center of the city, it will take you about 15 to 20 minutes, all things being equal, to get to the central business district. So let's talk about the cost of apartment in Katampe Extension. Basically, what you will get in Katampe Extension would depend on what your taste is. So the prices vary depending on what you're looking for. So from as low as 3 million to as high as 25 million if you intend to rent an apartment. And if you want to buy your apartment, you should be looking at between 50, 100, 80 million or even as high as 500 to 1 billion naira if you want to buy your house in Katampe Extension. It basically depends on what you're looking out for and what you would want to get. But in all, Katampe Extension is a very solid neighborhood, and because it's somewhere very close to Maitama and somewhere very close to it's a high-end district, it's not really a cheap neighborhood to live. But at the end of the day, because of the impressive nature of what you'll find in this place, the modern architecture and the landscaping of the environment, I would say that at the end of it, it's worth it because most of the houses are really, really beautiful. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please help me by giving this video a thumbs up. That way you make it easy for another person to also find it and enjoy it. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and help subscribe to this channel. Encourage me and make it easy for me to shoot more videos and bring you more content like this. Thank you. So at this point, I'm just going to let you see more of what Katampe Extension looks like. Let's have a great time looking through the environment. It's such a beautiful environment. Every time I go to this space, I am always very, very impressed. So let's see it. Thank you again for watching my video. This should be all from me to you today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up please, and share it with someone. I'll be back again with another very super impressive content for you again on my channel. My name is Naomi, and I'll see you again when I see you. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.